The Polish Ministry of Defense signed a contract with the United States government to acquire 96 AH-64E Apache helicopters with deal worth $10 billion. India is preparing to commission its second nuclear-powered submarine, the INS Arighat, which is 6,000-ton submarine ready for commissioning after thorough trials and upgrades. INS Arighat will be equipped with 750-kilometer range K-15 missiles bolstering India's nuclear deterrent capabilities. Brazilian Navy has launched its first frigate Tamandare in a ceremony held in Santa Catarina. These frigates are designed for a variety of roles including anti-air, anti-surface, and anti-submarine warfare, with advanced systems such as the Sea Scepter missile system, MANSUP anti-ship missiles and Mark 46 torpedoes for undersea threats. Ukrainian expert warns of Russian advanced fiber-optic drone in the Kursk region. These FPV drones use fiber optics instead of radio channels for control and video transmission, enabling complete immunity to electronic warfare, as all control are conducted through a wire, which significantly improves the quality of the image viewed by the operator. This enhancement in image quality directly translates to increased drone effectiveness and a higher probability of striking targets.